Here we go, Road King, another one with a dragonfly front. I did this bike two different times. One time when the owner had speakers in the far back of the bag, and then he went and bought bag lids, and then so we had to readjust and tighten him up, which would basically seal off the holes because you can't play bag lids with holes down there. And he had his own wiring, which we had to come in and clean up and convert to my style, as you see right here. The current owner says, "Hey Rob, the bike ain't got no bottom end to it. I need some more bass." Let me close this bag here. He's like, "Rob, I need some bass." He said, "You know, this ain't really." And I'm just getting in. I'm not gonna know that my sweet lotion. Who is it? She opened up the door. He said, "Rob, that ain't getting it. I need a little bit more." So, plus he wants to put a 7-inch flip-up screen in here. And so the first part of the task is create a lip or a spacer so I can bring in the 7.5 here, so it will flip up out all the way. Because as you see, it's further sitting into it. And you know, you need to bring it up to the front. He's not too concerned about water because he's a fair rider person. Just rides to work back and forth every day. So we're gonna accomplish that first, then hit him up with an estimate of what it takes to get some bass in here. He only wants to put in, say, one pair of 6x9s, and if possible, we can keep the same amp that's there, just relocate it, and that way he can at least have some bag space in his bags. Because if I take it all away, he'll have nothing. So we need to leave him something for all the stuff that he'd be carrying with him. And so most likely what we'll do is we'll move the Hertz down to the bottom, put something else in the upper lid, and therefore he can have some bass in his life, along with some good vocal. Because if you put bass in the lid, it ain't gonna work out too well. So we're gonna move the higher end speaker on the bottom, put some bass on that, transform something else onto the lid. Gotta go. Every once in a while, you gotta go through the archives and weed out what's really important, what's not. I think I hold on to the most of the double din scenarios, some of the shiny blacks, maybe about 10 more pieces out of this whole stack, and everything else is garbage. So we really don't do cars too much over here anymore. Maybe this many is worth holding on to, and the rest of it, da da da. We out. Good night.